Okay, so today I wanted to show you my tools that I use for my eyelashes and how I get them to grow in more full and lengthen them. And because I don't wear false eyelashes, I don't feel comfortable doing it. So this is what I do every day, and it really has helped me over the last few months. So I wanted to share them with you. So the first one is the eyelash curler. So I have used this one in the past. It's just, the typical drugstore eyelash curler, but I've switched to this red aspen one. Look how pink it is. I love the pink color, but you can see that it's not as a harsh curl or, shape there. And that allows it to actually hug your eyelid and not snag or pull your eyelashes. So this has pulled my eyelashes out and it's been really sad. So I have switched to using this little guy. Okay, so with this guy, I use a mirror and then I kind of look up and then gently press down and hold it for 10 seconds. I don't know if you can see how much it curled it already. I love this thing. Okay, so I'm gonna skip ahead. I'm gonna do the other eye and then I'll show you the next one. Okay, so the next thing is Maggie mascara. So this is my tried and true mascara. I've tried a lot of products on the market and I just keep going back to this one. So it has castor oil in it and that is proven to really help lengthen and grow your hair. So either eyelashes, eyebrows, and your hair, whatever, but this is infused with it, so I just keep going back to it. But the trick is that I've learned is to warm it up before you use it. So but when you're doing your eyelashes, when you're doing your eyeshadow, I just like stick it in somewhere, but like in between my thighs or anywhere, to get it warm for like five-ish minutes before you use it, and that really loosens up the castor oil in it, and it just like glides on. It doesn't cake or anything on your eyelashes. So what I usually do, it comes really full, so I actually try to wipe off the excess, and I use a mirror. And actually the trick is, so you don't get it on your eyeshadow, I look down and then start applying like that, because before I would get mascara all over my new eyeshadow and I'd be really sad. So I'm gonna keep applying because it's kind of scary to apply it on camera, so stay tuned. Okay, so that is one application, so you can see how much that really lengthened it already. So I'm gonna do one more coat. Okay, so I applied them on both and you can see how lifted they are. Oh my gosh, I love this. So the next tool I use, and last one, is this little comb. So it actually folds up and you can stick it in your makeup bag and you just boop, pull it out. And if you have eyelashes that are like stuck together or anything, you just go in again with your mirror and just fluff them up like so. And that's it. And I usually, before this tool, I would use like tweezers or something, and it would actually pull my eyelashes out, and it was really frustrating. So I use this guy every day. So yeah, that's it to fuller lashes, and I will leave all of the links underneath this video so you can check it out for yourself. I'll also leave a link to my email if you want to get on my email list and you can stay up to date for all of new products. I'm doing giveaways every once in a while and just any new announcements. And then the next one is if you want to earn products for free, which there's no strings attached, you can earn them for free and we can chat about how to do that. There's that link. And then if you want to earn a commission off of these and share it with your friends and family, you can do that as well. So I'll leave all the goodies below and we'll stay tuned for the next video.